Autonomous in 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, half court shot, nice! Oh. That's a blue Auton. Driver control in 3, 2, 1, go! Charge. Get out of the way. Wow. Nice shooting. 3 in a row over there on blue. Both their robots. Filling up that blue gold very quickly. Great teamwork. Come on, Red, you got this.
I need 1697A to the engineering field right now, please.
Woo. You got 3 goals in red. I don't know, 12, 13 in blue over there. 14, 15 maybe, who knows? Certainly a bushel. Bushel and a peck. Look at him go. Coming up on 20 seconds. There's plenty of time for Red to come back in this match. 10 seconds, end game.